ehwe ne de mo ko ensamfoforo mu a abeto dwase Ghana ohamunchemu be enso eye niema enya eha yen ewo bade bobremu nsakra ye ahodo ya ekoso global warming mu ne ade na emre no aso se wo sempanifo ni eda ho na niema bi a ebewie chie se nya nsunsun so bone wo nipadua no so no yesi a no kwan Adom TV etwaso.
The project is to be able to convert organic waste into biogas, and we are supposed to do about 100 to produce 100 kilowatts of energy. That's biogas from the organic fraction of the municipal solid waste. And in doing so, because it is a pilot plan, as researchers, we wanted to actually go further to be able to see how we could actually convert the biogas from the organic waste further into hydrogen.
So the world is moving, and everybody sees that green hydrogen is the future for us because we don't have fossil fuels. Biomass is also very valuable for us, even though in West Africa and in Sub-Saharan Africa you have a huge amount of biomass. But like we cannot degrade our own forests and state the climate change is happening. So we need to protect our natural resources and try to find an alternative fuels. And this is where hydrogen plays a major role, and especially the green hydrogen plays a major role because it is produced from green resources or using green energy sources, and based on which this is a most sustainable pathway.
The methane leak is quite very injurious to the environment. So methane conversion directly for consumption is no-brainer. We rather have hydrogen, methanol, ammonia, and fish trough liquid fuel. So rather go for the important fuel, hydrogen.
We ambition to produce 0.5 million of tons of green hydrogen by 2030 and 10 million of tons per year by 2050.